Mother?
Ooh, look at the nice teddy bear. Wants to play with the putty tag. Don't fight. Play nice. What's the matter, Putty? Don't you want to play with the teddy bear no more? Ooh, it looked like the putty cat got tired and went home.
Well, it's feeding time again. Okay, tigers, come and get it. What's the matter, Cedric? Didn't you like your dinner? The peculiar taste keeps coming back on me. You ought to watch what you eat, Cedric.
Hello, Mr. Elephant. Would you like a peanut? Here's a nice one for you. Ooh, you're a glutton, Mr. Elephant. Ha!
Hey, Jumbo, look. Crocodile. Ow! From now on, birds are off my list. Suffering succotash. What a fine time I picked to go on a